All right, Tiernan. What you got going on, Tiernan? Can you get it?
Get it! Get the foot!
Can you get that foot? The one with the toes? Bring it up. Whoa.
It's right there. Come on.
It's there for the taking. Oh boy. That looks like one good foot. Mmm. Wow. That's how you do it, huh? Get all even the big toe and some. Wow.
Hugging it.
Unbelievable. Mmm. Yeah.
Is that good? How good is that?
That's pretty darn good if you ask me. Wow.
They have a video.
Yeah.
Got to be a video. That is something would need to be shown like on his wedding day.
Yeah. Wow. Unbelievable. Do it again. Mmm. Oh boy. Can you get the whole thing in, Tiernan? All 5 toes? Yeah? Oh boy. Wow. Whoa. I think the doggy wants some toes too.